Alright, today I'm going to go over how to use the classic JB Weld. If you're like me, you took this out of the package, you read it down here and it says to see the back of the package for instructions, which you don't have. Things you're going to need are some gloves, some type of surface to mix it on, and then something to mix it with. This is just a folded up piece of sandpaper. Today I'm going to repair this broken tube. I'm going to put it back together. And I'm also going to repair this weld right here on this variable weight set that holds it in place. Got this piece of cardboard right here to hold this up so that the weld will connect well and it can dry and set and everything. Alright, so you get the steel, take the cap off. You're going to use the cap to punch. That opens it. Now apply a pretty good amount, however much you think you're going to use. And then same thing with the hardener right here with the white piece. Now just take your mixer and mix these things up together. Alright, now once you've got a uniform color, it's ready to go. Just going to take my surface needing repair and I put it on both sides. Alright, once you get it applied, you want to set it so that it's not going to fall. The second piece, just going to put it exactly where these old welds were. So I'm going to get it lined up. Stick it on there. There's what it looks like now, and pretty much just gonna let both of these pieces sit here. Don't move them or anything. Let them sit for about 4 to 6 hours, and then after about a day, so a full 24 hours, it should be set and good to go.